Maybe you need more motivation. I'll give you £20 if you can tell me how many dwarfs Snow White has. £40? £60?
I think you'll agree she was the star of that little clip when that gentleman couldn't remember the number of dwarves Snow White had. And I can understand that. What a frustration, because I was offering him money. But enough of that. People often tell me, why am I hypnotising girls more than hypnotised fellas? Well, this is the fella that you're going to see this week. A full set of hypnosis from start to finish, from the induction right through, several skits right through to the end you're going to see with this gentleman. So stay tuned inside. Hi there, my name is Tyrell Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and every week I show you some hypnosis of one sort or another, either street hypnosis or therapeutic hypnosis. This week it's a wonderful complete set from induction through various skits right through the end with this gentleman you'll see. Now, I usually do tutorials. I'm not going to do any tutorial today on this video, so check the description section below. I'll add links to the tutorials about this video when those tutorials come out, so check the description section. If you're watching this live in July 2022, then there won't be any links to the tutorials yet, but they will appear as I do the tutorials way out into the future. So keep tuned. Best way to do that is click the big red subscribe button and click that bell notification button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. And make sure, give this thumbs up, give it a like, so that people see that this is a popular video and encourages other people to watch and enjoy these videos as well. Thanks very much. And please leave comments in the comment section below. I love reading your comments, I love responding to your comments, and if you make a comment where I can maybe create a video out of, I give you a little name drop, as I'm doing here. Here is the comment from this gentleman you're about to see shortly. His name on YouTube is hypnotic. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. He said, love this event. Now, the event is Queen's University's Qcon event, which is a sort of anime character and gaming convention, and it's a really great convention, so I really want you to support that if you can. It's on every year. It's past this year because this video is from this year's 2022 event. But he said, didn't expect to be hypnotised though, but it was totally worth it! Exclamation mark. Love it. Can't wait to see the video of me pop up here. Keep up the good work. So this is your opportunity to watch yourself back in action. Thanks for being a great star, and ladies and gentlemen, make sure, like I say, give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like and do subscribe, and let's watch the video.
Right, have you ever been hypnotised before? No. You ready to be hypnotised by me?
Yeah.
Oh, you had to think about that there. Have you been hypnotised before?
I might have, I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Right, put your feet together, stand up straight. I want you to put your hands out like this here. Okay? And I just want you to stare at a spot right between those two hands. Stare at a spot right between those two hands. Now close your eyes down and just imagine that spot right between those two hands. And as you imagine that, I want you to pretend and imagine that there's very strong magnets in the palms of your hands. Very strong magnets in the palms of your hands. Notice what happens as I click those my fingers. Notice how those hands start to pull together, tug together, pull together, tug together. That's right. And feel those hands drawing together, tightening together, locking together. Feel those hands getting closer and closer and closer. And in a moment, those hands are going to feel so tightly locked together as they touch now. Just feel, that's right. Let them just pull together tighter and tighter and tighter. And in a moment, it's going to feel like those hands are just carved from a single piece of wood. It's like they're locked together, stuck together, locked together, stuck together. So feel those hands getting even tighter. Feel those hands locking and sticking together. Feeling so tight you couldn't pull them apart even if you tried. Feeling so tight you couldn't pull them apart even if you tried. And in a moment, not yet, but in a moment, I'm going to ask you to try and pull those hands apart, and notice how they just lock and stick together. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to try and pull those hands apart and find how they just lock and stick together. So 1, feeling getting tighter and tighter. 2, really strong, really cemented. 3, go ahead and try and pull those hands apart. Really try and pull those hands apart, but notice what happens. Keep your eyes closed down now, and notice what happens. In a moment, I'm going to say the word sleep, and when I do, your hands are going to drop down by your sides, your legs and back will support you, but you'll go into a wonderful feeling of hypnosis. So 1, 2, 3, sleep. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. When I drop that hand down, just go 10 times deeper, 10 times more relaxed. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 10 down to 1, letting the breeze blow through your hair, letting the people talking in the background just help you to absorb you into this wonderful feeling of hypnosis now. So 10, going deeper. 9, even deeper still. 8, so deep, so relaxed. 5 and 4. By the time I get to the number 1, your unconscious will take you to a place that even I couldn't take you to. So deep, so relaxed that everything I say will become wonderful to you. So 3, even deeper. 2, so deep, so relaxed. Legs and back support you all the time. And 1, way down, way down. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes and be back with us, but every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close back down, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go 10 times deeper. Feel 10 times better inside. So nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What was that like?
Strange.
Look at my hand and sleep. Way down, deeper, 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 relaxed. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 this time, you're going to open your eyes, you're going to feel so relaxed, so comfortable in the position you're in now. It's going to be like your feet are just locked to the flagstones beneath you. It's going to feel like your feet are locked and cemented to the flagstones beneath you. You will not be able to move your feet. The more you try and move those feet, the more those feet just feel locked and stuck. Feel locked and stuck inside your mind. Your unconscious knows you cannot move those feet. The more you try to move those feet just lock and stick. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What's that feel like? Go ahead now and try and move your feet. Really try. What's that like? Getting heavier and heavier and heavier now. In a moment those feet are going to feel so heavy you will not be able to move your feet. You will not be able to move your feet. The more you try to move those feet, find those feet just locking and sticking. What's that like now?
Still strange.
It is strange, isn't it? And look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down even deeper than before. Now, just in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and this time, on the count of 3, just as quickly as those feet become unstuck, the number 7 just disappears from your mind. The number 7 just disappears from your mind. You'll remember how to count just like you've always counted in school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All other numbers have just disappeared from your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Give it a go. Count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
You got 11 fingers.
No.
Count again. Out loud. I'll point. You don't move. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. So you do have 11 fingers.
No.
Count down. Count down. How many fingers do you have?
10.
10. Okay, so 10.
10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
0. Well, by the time you get to the bottom, there's 0 left. Yeah. Let's play a counting game. 1 and 1.
Okay.
1 and 1. What's 1 and 1? What's 1 and 1? 1 plus 1. 2 and 2.
4.
3 and 4. What about a 6 and 1? Use your fingers. 8. Is that right? I think 8's right. 6 and 1? No? Tell you what about movie quiz? What do you call that movie? Snow White and how many dwarfs?
I don't know.
Really try it. Stuck. Really try it. Stuck. Tell you what, maybe you need a bit of motivation. What if I said, I'll give you £5 if you can tell me how many dwarfs Snow White had?
Sleepy, grumpy, I don't remember the others.
Oh, maybe you need more motivation. There's £10. £10 if you can tell me how many dwarfs Snow White had. Maybe you're just not a movie buff. Maybe you need more motivation. I'll give you £20 if you can tell me how many dwarfs Snow White has. £40? £60? Oh, money's gone away. If you can't tell me, maybe you're just not into movies. That's the sad thing. What about that movie that Brad Pitt was in? That sort of horror movies? Can you remember? No, you don't watch movies? Okay. Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3 you're going to open your eyes and your feet are not going to be stuck. You will remember the number 7. But when I ask you to move forward, it's like you've got chewing gum on one of your shoes, and it's just really tacky and it's really sticky, and you find it hard to move. Nod your head, do you understand? You'll have chewing gum on one of your shoes. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Let's just move over here a bit.
something
Move here.
wrong.
There's something wrong. Notice what happens. Sleep. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3 and the count of 3. I'm going to move you to a different part of this this campus, and you're not going to remember moving at all. It's like you teleported, like something out of Star Trek, Star Wars, where you just get teleported from one place to the other, and you will not remember moving. Nod your head, do you understand? So you will not remember moving when I wake you up. So 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Come over here. Stand over here. Sleep. You will not remember just moving. It's like 2 seconds ago you were standing over there and now you've moved. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow. What happened there?
That was to the left of me. And now it's to the right of me.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
And in a minute I'm going to click my fingers and you're going to go back over there. Sleep. Walk over here. And wide awake. There you go. It's moved again. I didn't know you could teleport. Is this part of your costume?
No.
No?
I don't think the character could teleport.
No? And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. In a moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3 on the count of 3. You're going to open you'll no longer be teleporting anywhere, you'll remember everywhere you move, but when you awake you'll see a little monkey doll. You'll see a little monkey doll in front of you and you'll just be compelled to move in whatever way the monkey doll moves. Nod your head that you understand. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Do you like my little monkey doll?
It's kind of creepy.
It is kind of creepy, but look what happens. It gets funnier and funnier. Tickle, 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 tickle.
I don't care.
Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Pinch. Pinch. What's happening? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Do you know what's really, what do you say? Do you know what's really cool? Sleep. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down, even deeper still. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes and you'll no longer feel like following what the monkey does. But when you awake, you're going to see a bottle of water sitting on the floor. You're going to see a bottle of water sitting on the floor. And when you see that bottle of water, you're going to feel really thirsty. You're going to feel really thirsty, but you will not be able to lift that bottle up. Nod your head that you understand. When you see that bottle of water on the floor, you'll feel really thirsty. You'll want to drink out of that bottle. It's a brand new bottle of water, but you will not be able to lift that bottle up. The harder you try, the harder it sticks to the floor. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How's it going? You look a bit...
I'm thirsty.
You are thirsty. There's a bottle of water. Go ahead and try and lift it. Really try. Really try. Bend your knees, get down, bend properly, lift up. Really try. The harder you try, the harder it sticks to the floor. Really try. What's that like? The harder you try, the harder it sticks. Really try. Maybe it's too heavy. Can I ask you to help me for a moment? This guy can't lift this bottle up. Really try. Really try. There you go. There you go. Thank you very much. Obviously the weaker sex. Pick it up. Try and pick it up. Friend is stuck. Stop. and sleep now. Way down, deeper, 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 relax. In a moment you're going to get even thirstier, and you will be able to pick that bottle up. It will no longer feel too heavy. But just as quickly as you can pick that up, you forget where your mouth is. Your mouth just disappears to another part of your body, another part of your face, anywhere where it naturally was starting off with. Nod your head that you understand. Your mouth will move to a different part of your body. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Still looking thirsty?
Yeah.
There you go, that wasn't too bad. Go ahead and try and take a drink. Thought you were thirsty.
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
Go ahead and try and drink. Harder you try, the more impossible it becomes to try and take a drink.
Here, do you not need your sauce?
Really thirsty, getting thirstier and thirstier. Thirstier and thirstier and thirstier. Take a drink. We'll wait. Tell you what, put the cap back on a minute. Let's play that little game your mum would have played when you were a kid. This is your ears. Use two hands. This is your ears.
Yeah.
This is your eyes. This is your nose. Where's your mouth? This is your ears. This is your eyes. This is your nose. Where's your mouth?
I don't know.
This is your ears.
Eyes.
This is your eyes. There's your nose. Where's your mouth? Notice when I click my fingers, it appears somewhere else on your body. Bang. Where's your mouth? And it moves to a different location. Try and take a drink. And you can stop now. Stop now. There you go. Put the cap back on.
Yeah.
And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 5, 1 to 3 on the count of 3 this time. You will remember where your mouth is, but just as quickly as you remember where your mouth is, it's like there's about 5, maybe 6 flies just flying around you, and you just have to swat those flies. They're very irritating. They won't harm you or hurt you in any way, but they're just very irritating, and you'll just have to stop and swat them. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So you're enjoying Qcon today? And you're having fun? You seem... What's wrong? Just don't know where. So anyway, so what's this character you're coming as?
L.
And there's another one, and another one. And now there's 8. There's about 10. I notice it's like there's ants all around the floor now. There's ants all over the floor. Stamp them out. Stamp them out. And there's one over there. What about this one? There you go. All over the place. What's happening now? Ants. There you go. What about the ones behind you? Come over this way. Look at me. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a moment we'll count from 1 to 5, and on the count of 5 there will be no ants around the place. There will be no irritating flies. But when you awake, you'll feel full of life, full of energy. All hypnotic suggestions will disappear, but you'll feel full of life, full of energy to take on the rest of the day, enjoy Qcon, enjoy the rest of your life, in fact. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your legs, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel that energy washing all the way through you. 5, stretch wide awake. Welcome back. Where's your mouth? Just checking, just checking. Here, you can keep that bottle of water.
Thank you.
There you go. There you go. A wee band, just to remind you, check out Feel Good Hypnosis on the YouTube channel. Make sure you give us a like and a subscribe.